Welcome back to RotoCityTech. So one of the other companies that was cool enough to send us out something was Setpower. Now they make coolers and they make some 12-volt refrigerators. We have come across many times where a soft cooler is going to be key for us. We have a couple of hard coolers and those are really nice to have, but some of the time this soft cooler, a little bit easier to travel with, can come in very handy. So I researched a few different ones. I came across this company, Setpower, and I sent them an email. And I just asked them if they would be willing to send us out a cooler and we could do an unboxing and we could review it, and they were more than happy. So super big shout out to Setpower. I will put their link in the description below. Let's get to opening. So this is their Setpower SC20 soft cooler. I believe that means 20 liters. Tough zipper, which is actually a good thing probably. It's supposed to be waterproof, I believe, or leak proof. Alright, so inside we have our shoulder strap, a deal talking about how to clean it, and some silicone lubricant. So it's talking about the zippers need to be lubricated on the docking end. Please use the original lubricant or other available zipper lubricant. Carefully apply over the docking end surfaces on front, back, and inside where they connect to the zipper chain. Repeat before long-term storage. Leave the slider closed and whenever the area is dry during use. Okay. I guess I need to Google on what docking is. I'm guessing that's just this actual metal zipper part. We got some activated carbon, some of the stuff to keep moisture out, I suppose. Another cool thing about this, there's this bottle opener holding on right here. Handles on the side. Of course, we have our shoulder strap so that we can easily carry. That just latches on. Like so. It's got a nice little pull handle, little T-shaped handle here so that you can close it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to zoom in and show y'all that right there where it's keeps it leak proof. The bottom has this rubber material here. It actually all feels about the same, but it's super thick. As far as this insulation, I need to bring up on their website. So the SC20, so it's a 21 quart soft cooler. It is $99.99 on their website. And here's what it talks about. High thermal insulation performance. The inner bladder is about 22 millimeters in thickness, and the inner bladder has a closed structure, good thermal insulation effect. So they talk about the handle, the way it's designed, that it keeps pressure off when you pick it up. I'm assuming that's this plastic part right here, so that the material, like if it were just canvas, it would just bend real easy. This kind of distributes the weight. And then they got a warranty after sales service, 1 year warranty. The outer fabric, which is this, is the 840D double-sided TPU composite cloth. And then the inner blue fabric is TPU and the liner material is EVA. So all fabrics are waterproof and can be cleaned. I mean, that's all they really say. There's not a whole lot of information. We are going to do some testing on this and figure out how it compares to some others that we have or that we have used, some other brands. Real quick, the dimensions. So it's 16.5 inches by 14.2 inches by 12.5 inches. So that is length, width, and height. So as you can see, the zipper here, there's the T handle. And if I start to pull it, you can see how the rubber on the outside seals that gap. And so that's what helps make it leak proof, which I'm assuming we will be testing that. I'm sure it's not 100% effective, but that zipper, I mean, it's pretty tight. You can feel it. It's going to be pretty sweet. So here's a close-up of the clips. Of course, we got side handles here. And then we have, of course, the Setpower. Thank you, Setpower, for sending this out. And we have these. These can be clips for flashlights or pins, whatever might have a little clip. The other side of the handle with the bottle opener. There's the back. Then, of course, the bottom. Nothing too special there. Let's flip this back around, open it fully. You can see it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick material there, insulation-wise. And then there is inside the cooler. So I came out here in the garage because I wanted to do a little update on our Setpower soft cooler. So yesterday we went over to my sister's house for her birthday, and we thought, hey, why don't we go ahead and use our new cooler and put some ice in it, put some of our drinks in it, and we did. And we loved it. Like, I gotta be honest, the handle here, they're not lying when they say that is really easy to carry, because this is super comfortable. I really like it. And then, of course, the shoulder strap made it super simple to just, obviously, throw it on my shoulder. But, like, I don't know, just the way that it feels when you're carrying it, it's just super easy. I was carrying it and carrying my son at the same time, and it really wasn't all that difficult. So it's super easy to transport. And then obviously my sister and her husband really loved the look of it. But what I really wanted to do was unzip it and check and see if there was still ice. So we put one bag of ice and some drinks in there. I think we did 18 cans or something like that. Quite a few. And there's still a few left, but obviously it's not super hot here. Yesterday it was pretty warm, but through the night it's not super warm. But anyways, just wanted to look and see if there was still some ice in here. So let's unzip this bad boy. And sure enough, a lot of freaking ice and 4 drinks. So that's actually really impressive. Stay on the lookout for future videos when we start camping and going out on the lake. You're going to see a lot of this cooler probably. And I couldn't be more happy with it as of right now. So throughout the summer and camping season, we'll test its durability, but it seems like it's made out of really good quality stuff. And I think we'll be good to go. So thank you so much, Setpower. I'll put their website down in the description. You can go check them out. And I got to be honest, this thing being only $99.99 right now seems like a freaking deal, because there are other competitors that make the same size cooler, a soft cooler, that are going to run you probably like $300. Different weather, how many times you open and close your cooler. It's really hard to test and compare, but for a third of the price, this thing is going to be sweet. And I don't know how you argue against that. So anyways, thank you, Setpower, for sending that out. And then be on the lookout for photos of it being used, and you'll be able to spot it in some videos coming up. So shout out Setpower, go check them out, pick you up a soft cooler. All right, guys, thanks for watching RotoCityTech.